So for that you have to open your web browser, and here you have to search for HW monitor. So you have to go to the first link, and here you will find classic versions. So you have to get you can download the zip version, which is a portable version, or you can download the installation if you want to keep it in your computer for a while. So I have downloaded this and set up this already, as you can see here. So you have to open it and install it. So you have to just click on next and finish the process. So as I have installed it, I'm not going to do that. Once the installation has been done, you will get your HW monitor in desktop, or you can simply search for HW monitor in here. Then you have to open it. So you have to be in your administrator account. If you are not, then you have to click on run as administrator. So once you have opened it, you will see all the temperature and the information of your computer. So you can select your device that you want to check the temperature for. So if you want to check your motherboard temperature, then you can click here and see the mainboard VRM temperatures from here, or you can go to the processor to check what is the current temperature of your processor. You can check your hard disk and your SSDs as well, and you can check your GPU temperature as well. So that's how you basically check temperature on your Windows 11 computer. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.